How to get rid of spiders without killing plants. Spiders come in a number of different sizes. Spider mites are so small that a magnifying glass is needed to see them. Spider mites can kill your plants if you do not get rid of them. Bigger spiders feed on small insects. They can be beneficial to the home garden, but most people don't want to see spiders on their plants, especially if the plants are indoors. There are a number of ways to get rid of the spiders without harming your plants. Things you'll need: vacuum, insecticidal soap or liquid dish soap, sprayer, cotton ball, rubbing alcohol. Vacuum the spiders off the plants if they are big enough to see. Empty out the vacuum canister into the trash bin and dispose of the contents. Remove the spiders and the web. Spray the plants with water if the plants are outside. The water will dislodge big spiders and spider mites, washing them off the plants. Spray the plant with insecticidal soap. Read and follow label directions on amounts and usage. Mix your own soap by combining 2 tablespoons liquid dish soap with 1 gallon of water. Pour this into a sprayer and spray the plants. Dip a cotton ball into rubbing alcohol. Wipe down the leaves and stems of the plant. If your plant has a lot of leaves, mix 1 cup rubbing alcohol with 1 cup of water. Pour this into a sprayer and spray the plant to the point of runoff. Pay particular attention to the bottom of the leaves, because this is where spider mites live.